Good morning, you YouTubes, you. Here's a little tiny update video on the Aero Commander and what happened to it. So you've seen the video that I put up recently, and then in the video description blurb I said that the very next flight it suffered a failure, and it did. It was as I flew it overhead, I heard this horrible squealing like a little piggy noise coming from one of the servos. I managed to bank the aircraft round once to sort of bring it into an emergency landing, and unfortunately the aircraft just literally nosedived into the ground, which broke the nose off. It's an easy repair, but you can see that the horrible ugly crack line right across the front, and then also running all the way below. So sadly my pristine and beautiful Aero Commander is now looking decidedly second-hand, ridden hard, put away wet, as the Americans like to say, as a euphemism for looking very well used. In fact, I've just literally, as I'm doing this video, I've just noticed some more damage on the aileron. The aileron looks a bit bent out of shape, so I'll probably have a go at that. Anyway, so it's just going to be a very short video, me opening the plane up, replacing the broken servo, and I can put a new cabin piece for it. So top sides will look good, bottom sides less so. Anyway, let's get this little bird fixed up. Here we go. So this is the noise it was making as it flew overhead and shortly before it crashed. And what it is, it's the little servo back, right at the back, the one you can see on the left, doesn't want to play ball anymore. So let's fix this thing up. Oh, and apologies for the noise. It's horrible, isn't it? Well, 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 YouTube. That tiny little piece of brass, which was loose and rattling around in the bottom of the fuselage, turns out to be the, what's name, the Ujima flip, the diddly flop, the the whatever it is. It's a tiny little internally threaded retainer that sits on the back shaft of the motor. After a lot of fiddling around, I mean, this thing is tiny. I mean, it's like only, millimetre and a half across, maybe 2 at the most. Very awkward to get to. Hello. But I managed to get it on, and no weird noise. Yeah, it's fixed. I'll save that for something else. The old 2.3 gram linear ultra micro servo. So what I'm going to do is put some sort of locking fluid, or maybe just a blob of glue, on the back of the both of those brass little, what sits on the back of the motor. But by heck, that's the easiest fix. I thought I'd have to be ripping out this servo and putting the other one in, gluing it in with fix and flex, and being a great big faff. Anyway, there it is. It appears to be done. One thing left to do, and that's just to put the brand new Aero Commander hatch on the front, and then I can keep that one as a spare. Anyway, that appears to be the end of the mystery. I'll tail off this video with a little bit of just 30 seconds of flying, just to sort of satisfy my curiosity. Anyway, YouTube, job done. Here we go, all patched up, all sellotaped back up, which is the beauty of these things. There goes mon capitaine on a chain sawing mission. Yeah, brand new hatch. There we go, almost like she'd never crashed. Let's just give her a quick once over. Rudder, elevator, aileron. Hurrah! Let's stick her in the end just to sanity check everything. Here we go. A bit windy. Likes to cut through. Oh, it really is a bit weirdly gusty. But anyway, there we are. There she's flying like a good one. Let's bring her in nice and safe. Beep beep. Okay, YouTube, here endeth the video. One happy bunny again. What was it Pilot Robert says? And you'll be one happy pilot all over again. Never a truer word. Anyway, YouTube, you know the drill. Stay safe, keep your tin hats on, come watch another thing. I'll see you as soon as you like, please. Gina signing out. Bye.